In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to flip an image here in Photopea. Now, this is extremely easy to do, and once you have your image on the canvas like that, we simply want to click onto that image, like so, or we can click on the layer which our image is on over here on the right hand side. But once we click on there, we can then come up to image here in the left hand corner, to transform, and then here is where we can rotate 90 degrees, 180, or as we can see just here, we can also flip the image. So that's flipped horizontally, doesn't really look any different, but if we come back to image, transform, and then flip vertically, we can flip that upside down. So that's just how easy it is to flip an image here in Photopea. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.